Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Windows 10 domain machine slow to log on. Type gpmc.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpmc.msc. Click and expand domain. Click and expand domain controllers. Right-click, edit. Click and expand policies under computer configuration. Click and expand administrative templates. Click and expand system. Click and expand logon. Open. Always wait for the network at computer start up and log on. Check not configured. Click apply, OK. Click start, type CMD in Windows search bar. Click CMD. Type gp update /force. Type exit. Second method is, type control panel in Windows search bar. Click control panel. Click power options. Click choose what the power buttons do. Click change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck, turn on fast startup. Click save changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.